How to change your username on Reddit. Today we'll learn about how to change your username on Reddit. Currently on this application, we are unable to manually change the username here on this application. So what we'll need to do is to go under settings. When you go to settings, you need to scroll down until you find the option for you to choose that you need help or the help center, and you just need to click on help center. That's under support. When you click on it, you'll be redirected into this page where you need to search for username. When you search for username, these will be the results. What you need to do is to click on the first option. Can I change my username? And it will be providing you information about the process. So on the part where they ask you if the article helped you, you just need to click on no. And then click on submit a request. When you click on submit a request, there's a drop down option where it will ask about your request further. So I need help with my account. It will be your first option. You just need to input your email address, and then for what type of account issues you encounter, you need to click on username problems. When you click on that, there is another drop down here where you will input your username on Reddit. And then on the next part, are you able to log into your Reddit account? You need to click on yes, I can log in. And then for subject inquiry, just fill out these information that you wish to change your username on Reddit, as well as on the details as well. Once completed, you just need to click on submit and then allow Reddit to work on your requests. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.